how you feel? What experience you got here? It helped you to get good marks. What is your feedback?
It really helped.
Really helped. How it helped you when you started? What was the problem you were facing, and after coming here, what it helped you?
So in science and social, I got important questions, and I got to know how to write answers.
So the regular test helped you, right? So in changes ಆಗಿದೆ what do you feel?
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. Surely I will make sure that I have to join to this IISE only, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for all support. Really, we want to help the children and we want to give them the best, ma'am. You see that lot of changes we have done.
Yes, sir.
Because after COVID, we also wanted, we have seen that the situation has changed now. So we are trying to help them because ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ distraction ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. So we will help them until final exam classes will be there. Preparatories are there. Any revision required, please you can inform, you can message us. We'll definitely do that. Whatever
All the study materials, what are all the informations you have given, sir, it is very useful and really it is very user friendly also, sir. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ವಿಷಯ user friendly ಇದೆ. But whenever we reach you, please, your people are really amazing, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support. I please do this
Madam,
work,
it is
sir,
like
because ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಿದ್ಯೆನ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಷಯ ಸರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ another candle. So I have to thank this personally. I have to thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Because of your parents' support and all that, it helps us a lot. Because that will give motivation. Like you, your feedback. Because really, we want to help the children. Education is important, and if they are very successful in life, at least they will remember in life that at least we have done. And from IISE, we have done a little bit part of all the success. They will go abroad. They will become a big CEO, a big company, or wherever they will. Now, our children are there all over world now. Or they are very successful. They are getting married. Their children are coming now.
Hey everyone, I'm Alfia and I'm from 10th board and I'm a part of IISE Institution. I have been studying here since 1 year and I'm very happy and glad to be the part of IISE Institution. They have provided more information about studies and all, and the teachers have been too cool and they are very they provide good facilities too, and the teachers play an important role too, and I'm happy to be here. So I suggest even you guys to be a part of IISE Institution. Thank you.
ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಯ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟದು?
ಇಶಾ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಮೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ 1 2 3 ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೇರಿದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಓವರಾಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ? ಓಕೆ,
ನೋಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 10th ಇದೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಬನ್ನಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 10th ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, PU ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟಿಗೆ. ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? So I'll expect 100 out of 100 in every subject. Okay, so thank you so much ma'am, review ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Hi everyone, I am Tushar Desai and I am currently studying in class 10 CBSE board. I am very happy to be a part of IISE Institution. The board teachers coming here have guided us and they are very friendly and supportive. The study materials and the facilities which the institution have provided have very much helped in improving my marks in the exams and improving my academic skills, and I hope forward to come to this institution in future too. My parents are also happy about my marks which I have scored in the exams. So overall, to say the institution is very good, and again the teachers are very friendly. Thank you.
ಸರ್, ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ?
about the importance of studying in IISE. The teachers made me understand the concepts very clearly. At first I was very weak in maths and science, but now I'm improved in science as well as working hard to improve in maths. So I had to thank the teachers for it. And also due to the preparatories, I no longer have the fear of facing them, because now I know how will the paper appear and what concepts will be there. So that thing is very become very clear. And also the mentors and all are very friendly and helpful and guide us timely to do this and that. So in general, the institution has provided me a lot.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮನೇಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಬೇರೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ expecting 100 out of 100. So all the best for your final exams. Do well, and whatever you want, the support system is from IISE till your exam dates. Please come in. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು open up ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು requirements ಬಗ್ಗೆ support. Okay. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Ganavi from IISE Institute, studying in 9th standard board. Today I'm very thankful for the opportunity they gave me to review about my tuition. My marks have been much improved from the past semester. They also provide us with many revision classes from where I can learn better. And they also make sure that we celebrate festivals together, and we are also treated with good snacks. And our tutor is not just a tutor, but with whom we can easily share our concerns to and easily talk to. So I highly recommend this tuition for you to join. Let's grow, succeed and benefit from this tuition together.